is Leslie, the Hungry Housewife, and I'm here in my crazy kitchen with my two little celebrity chefs. What you need? And they're going to help me in the kitchen today make all kids' favorites. What are we making?
Cupcakes!
Yes, so we're going to make cupcakes today. We're going to make a simple white cupcake and frosting and simple white cupcake mix. And very simple. So what we're going to start off with first is 1 cup of white sugar. All right, buddy, you're going to help me with the sugar, okay? We're just going to get 1 cup of white sugar and pour it in the bowl. Thank you so kindly. Now, we also need 1 stick of butter. You got to have your butter. Butter, right? Everybody needs a little bit of butter. Okay. Gotta lick your fingers with the butter. What? Now what we're going to do is, you know, I have a recipe because I don't know how people do it. I can make my food 1,000,000 times every day and I still have to look at the recipe. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I still gotta look at the recipe. Now what you're going to do, Aiden, you're going to help me stir this up, okay? Can you do that for me? Yeah? Stir it real good. Watch out for those eggs. You're going to cream together the butter and sugar so it's nice and fluffy and smooth. Sometimes it takes a minute, but I have my sugar my butter nice and soft. So we should be good to go in a minute. Aiden, do that for me for a second. Keep doing it. Hold it. I hope you can hear me. Along with the cream, butter, and sugar, I'm going to add some vanilla paste. Have you seen the vanilla paste? It is delicious. Thank you, Emma. I need 2 teaspoons of vanilla paste. Add it to the cream, butter, and sugar. I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon because I didn't grab the other one.
I love that smell.
It smells delicious, doesn't it? So while Aiden is creaming these together, what Emma and I are going to do, are you going to help me? What we're going to do is now add the dry ingredients, which is just flour and baking powder.
Yeah.
Simple enough, right, Emma? Yeah?
Oh, this is making me move.
All right, so keep doing it, keep doing it. This is your job. All right? Now, Emma is going to help you with the flour. We're going to get 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Hold on, Emma. Baking is science, so we have to level off this flour so we know that we don't get too much or too little flour. And you certainly don't want to mess it up. Here you go. There you go. That's 1. And we need 1/2. Have you seen these bowls? All right, buddy, that's good. Have you seen these bowls? They have silicone on the bottom. They stick to your counter kind of. So when you're mixing, you don't have to. Okay, hold on. When you're mixing, you don't have to hold your bowl. Plus, my lovely husband got for me for Christmas. I'm so domestic. I asked for bowls for Christmas. How sad is that? All right, here, pour it in there. That's a 1/4 cup. So we need 1/2 cup. So we need 1 more. Yes. Yeah, she can taste that. The 350-degree oven will definitely take care of those germs. Delicious, huh? Remind me, 350-degree oven, we got to preheat that. All right, now, honey, you're going to hold that in there. You're going to whisk that together. Hold on, well, slowly.
Mommy.
Yes, honey. Now, what my children did with my measuring spoons, I found it right here. Where we need 1 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder. Aiden, do you know what baking powder does? You know what this does?
Makes that stop.
Huh?
Makes that stop.
Makes us soft. Almost. What it does is it fluffing stuff up. Makes bubbles. And when you make bubbles and stuff, everything gets nice and fluffy. So we need that. So we need 1 3/4 teaspoons. What y'all do with my 1/4 teaspoon? Did somebody steal it? Did you steal my 1/4 teaspoon? Look at you. Hold on 1 second. Let me grab my 1/4 teaspoon again. And lovely. Here we go. We got a 1/4 teaspoon. Emma, slow down, sister. Okay, so we might not have exact measurements in these cupcakes today, but let's go ahead and stir that up, honey. All right, now I know y'all would fight with the eggs. When you have 2 kids, you have to give everybody a thing to do. Slow down. They're each going to get an egg. right? Because, you know, we don't want any fights in the kitchen because Mama has to stay sane. Here, let me see that.
Peppers.
And the reason why I put them in these little containers first is this very reason right here, because the little shell just got in there, and if I was to pour that in the creamed butter and sugar, I'd have my finger all in there, and I probably wouldn't be able to find it, and it would just be a mess. So, buddy, you want to pour your egg in there?
I do.
Okay, you'll pour yours in there in a second. So we have to mix Aiden's egg up real quick. Mix it up real good. All right, Emma? No. All right, that's okay. We'll just scoop it out. Here, let's scoop out that egg, Emma. You got it? There we go. No problem. Always have messes in the kitchen, right? Don't you remember that when you were a kid? Your mom was covered in flour? All right, so here we go. We're going to mix in Emma's egg. And then... Oh, you did? I'm so sorry, women. So now we're also going to add the dry ingredients to it. Who wants to help me stir?
Me.
Okay, you can help me first, Emma, and then Aiden can help me. See, if I had 2 bowls, this would be ultimate, but I only have 1. So they each have to help me stir it. There we go. I remember as a kid, my mom worked at a restaurant and she cooked the cakes for them.